Hello everybody, so today I will talk about supply chain management. So the question in here is about reorder point and the new probability of the new service. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. First, we need to analyze the number in here. So because we want to find about reorder point, so we need to concentrate this number. Quickly demand standard deviation for weeks and 98%. So in here, in the summary, we need to concentrate about quickly demand. So that's about 250 units. Standard deviation 40 units. Lead time 4 weeks. And the last one, probability, we have 98%. So I will show the technique how to answer. In the step 1, we need to calculate about standard deviation of lead time in here. So the formula in this situation, we have standard deviation, that's about 40 units, multiply with the square root of the lead time in here. So we have 40 multiply with the lead time is about number 4, so we have number 2, and we got about 80. The next one, that's about step number 2, probability is 98%. So in this situation, we need to use about standard normal table. You know that we have the area in the purple in here because we need to find 98%, but the table just care from 0 to the Z, so we need to minus 0.5 from the left area in here from 0 to this ball in here, so you got about 0.48. And now we use this table and we can find the probability is about 0.4798, and that's about 2.05 of the Z in here. And in this situation, we can do about Z equals to 2.05. And this is about the step number 2. Step number 3, we find about reorder point. To find reorder point in here, we will use about quickly demand multiply with the lead time in here plus about the safety stock. So we have the 250 in here multiply with number 4 plus Z multiply with about standard of lead time. So we have 250 multiply with 4 plus 2.05 multiply with 80, and we got about the number in here. That's about 1164. Next question. Suppose the production manager is told to reduce the safety stock of this item by 100 units. If this is done, what will the new service probability be? So we have the safety stock in here. The new safety stock we will have about 2.05 multiplied with 80. That's about the number we just calculate in here minus about 100. Let's see from on the question, and we will go about the new number. Let's see about 64. Now because the standard of lead time they don't change, so we need to find about the new Z in here. To find the Z, we use about 64 divided to 80. 80 is about the standard of lead time in here, and we got about 0.8. So now we will use about this table again, standard normal table. So we have 0.8, we minus 0.5, and we got about 0.4, 0.3, sorry. So in here we will find about 0.3 in this table, and that should be about this number in here. So we can find that right now they will have 0.295 is about 0.3, and that's about the new Z is about 0.84. Oh, sorry about that. 0.8 is about Z, so we need to find this number. So we have 0.2881. We put 0.5 in here, and the number we just find in this situation is about 0.5 plus 0.2881, and we got about 0.7881, or we can put about 78.81%, and the answer for the question in here is about B equal to 78.81%, and this is about the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.